Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start now, verify the SSD model and firmware version so you update the right device. Back up your data immediately. Updates rarely fail, but you must protect files. Plug into AC power and use a direct SATA or USB 3. Zero connection to avoid interruptions. Close background apps and disable sleep. This prevents write interruptions. Once done, download the latest Samsung Magician or firmware package, but do not run it yet. Get everything set so the update runs without surprises. You launch Samsung Magician as administrator to ensure full access. Let the app detect the drive, then read the firmware notes to understand fixes and changes. Click Update Firmware, follow prompts to stage the package, and confirm you want to proceed. This writes directly to the controller. Make sure the PC stays powered and cables secure. The utility will show a % and status messages. If the tool offers a reboot, accept it. After reboot, reopen Magician to confirm the new firmware version is applied. You finish by verifying the firmware version and running a smart check to confirm health. Once validated, enable trim and any recommended performance optimizations inside Samsung Magician to keep the drive fast. If the update seems incomplete, run a drive diagnostic and reboot into a clean environment. Sometimes a bootable USB firmware tool resolves write issues. Key troubleshooting tip: if the update fails, do not write more data. Create a bootable recovery USB and reapply the firmware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.